Hello and welcome to another episode of How To with Paul Henderson. Today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix a hole in your tire that was made with a nail or a screw. Yesterday I went over to Lowe's to pick something up and I ran over a nail. So I'll be using the safety seal kit that I had bought back in 1992. I'm not too sure how much I paid for this. It was a very long time ago and that was before the internet. So I had to actually go to a store to buy this. Now this safety seal kit is still available and you can buy it on Amazon for about 50 bucks. Now I did purchase a new kit from CTR. This is about 25, I think. Let me see. Yeah, this kit is about 25 and it comes with everything you need. My kit comes with a little bit less, but hey, that was, I don't know. That was a long time ago. So with my kit, you get the instructions, you get some tire cords, you get the reamer tool, and you get the tool to insert the tire cord, and you get some safety seal lube for easy insertion of the tire cord. Now with this kit, it doesn't come with needle nose pliers or a razor or a white tire marker chalk thingamajig. So you can always buy this and put it in there. This one actually comes with everything you'll need, including some gloves, 40 tire cords, and these are heavy duty, which is what I recommend. They do have some cheaper, flimsier ones out there, which are kind of a pain in the ass. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to repair this hole by using these tire cords. So the first thing you have to do is, once you find the nail or the screw, mark it with an X, and maybe also mark it right across on the sidewall. So that way when you're rolling around, if this gets rubbed off, you'll still be able to find it by this. So you're going to go ahead and take your needle nose pliers and pull the nail or the screw out. If it's a screw, you can just unscrew it with a screwdriver. This is my first nail in these tires. Well, this really in there good. Dang. This might take a few minutes. Or you can get like a screwdriver, flathead, and get underneath the screw head, or the nail head. Dang. Okay, let me go get a flathead screwdriver and I'll be right back. Okay. I don't know if this is a nail. Okay. Nope, it's a screw. Okay. So now what you're going to do, you're going to take your reamer tool. I'm going to go ahead and dip it in this Vaseline type sealant. Let me put that in there to plug the hole. Now, you're going to take one of these tire cords. These are pretty sticky, so I suggest putting some gloves on. I did replace these tire cords a while ago, so they're not from 1992. Now what you're going to do is feed it through this little slot right here. Now what you can do is flatten it just a little bit. Let's use this right here. And then what you can do is pull it through with those pliers. You're going to want to make sure that the cord is evenly on both sides. Now what you're going to do is dip it back into that lube. And now you're going to go ahead and insert this into the hole. Okay, so you're going to insert this tire cord into the tire until it hits the bottom of this stop right here. Maybe I should have let the air out. All right, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and let all the air out of the tire. It is too hard to push that cord back in with the air in the tire, so I'm just going to have to let it all out. Now, with this safety seal, you can also use it on motorcycle tires. It's not recommended though, but in an emergency you can. And I did use it on my motorcycle tires and it works fine. Okay, let me go ahead and put another tire cord in there. I'll use the same one. I'll try it again. And like I said, you're going to push it in until the base of this stop hits the tire. Whew, it's going. Okay, so this stop is hitting the tire. Go ahead and pull it out. Now what you're going to do, take a razor cutter and you're going to cut this off. It doesn't really matter to get it totally flush. Let me get this rag real quick. That's as good as it's going to get. Now, I'm going to go ahead and put air back in the tire, and I'll be right back. And wouldn't you know, I gotta jack the tire up. Okay, so It's probably a good idea to jack the car up if you're going to let the air out, because when I did that, it broke the bead on the tire. Once I jacked it up, it's fine. So maybe I didn't have to let all the air out, but that was a pretty tight hole. Because I think with the tire pressure pushing it out, it was just hard to push it back in. All right, I'm at 32 pounds. I'm going to jack it up a little bit more. All right. No air coming out of there. No air coming out of there. Well, that's it, folks. That's how you fix a flat. Now, that was kind of a small screw, so it didn't make a very big hole. That's why it was so hard to push in this tire cord inserter. Well, that's it. So now I'm going to show you, or tell you, how you can enter to win this CTR tire repair kit. So all you have to do, it's going to be a little bit different than the last giveaway I did. You're going to press the like button, and hopefully you already subscribed to the channel. If not, go ahead and subscribe. And then in the comment section, you're going to say that you want me to put your name in for, let's see, how can you word it? Just in the comment section, say that you want to have your name put in for the drawing for this. And then, to make it easier for me to find you, if you're the winner, you are going to go to my YouTube email, which is Paul Henderson, wannabe@hotmail.com, and then put tire kit giveaway, and then in the body of the email, just put your name. You don't have to put your last name, but you can. And then when I do the drawing 2 weeks from the date of the posting of this video, and I will put that date in here with a little title, that'll be the deadline. So it's going to be exactly 2 weeks. I'll let people submit their name in there, and then the day after that deadline ends, I'll take all the names, put them in a bowl, and I'll draw one winner. And then, since I already have your email, I can email you back, and you can send me your address, and then I'll get this out to you. Now, it is only going to be for people that live in the United States. So if you live outside the United States, don't bother entering. This kit is available on Amazon for $25. They do have some other ones. Let me tell you their names real quick. So this is the CTR heavy duty tire plug kit. It's about 25 bucks. There's a safety seal one that is similar to that's similar to that one, and that's anywhere between 50 to 60 bucks. Then there's a mini one by Boulder Tools. It's called the Compact Tire Repair Kit, 20 bucks. And then there's one from Own, and it's another $20 kit. Comes with everything you need. And then here's another one. It's a 70-piece tire repair kit from Orkish, and that's about 22 bucks. And then there's, I think that's the Boulder one, right? No, that is CTR. So then there's one by Boulder Tools. It's a heavy duty kit, and it's about 30 bucks. And then of course the CTR one for 25. So that's it. And that is how you repair a nail hole, screw hole in your tire. It was a little bit tough getting that in there. Well, anyway, that's it. If you like this video, tap the like button, tap the subscribe button. That really helps out my channel. and the bell icon, and you get notifications as new video come out. And that's it. And I will see you in the next video. Have a great day. Now I got to clean up all this frickin' mess I made. And I got a hole in my glove. Anyway, that's it. See you later.